Are you still broke every month? Try this simple money system.
Whoa! 50% goes to your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for savings. That is the rule. Write down every expense. What gets measured gets managed. What gets measured gets managed. Track every dollar. Don't buy things you can't afford, just to impress others. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses, one step at a time. Start investing early. Even small amounts can grow. Through compound interest.
Manage your money today, and your future self will thank you. Follow for more smart money tips.